A place which is free from every nose and cannot be expressed by a phrase. A place that resembles the paradise. A place underneath those blue skies. A place where the dove bring the peace. A place full of flower and flying bees. A place with the cool breezes and trees. A place where waves cross the oceans, leaving the coast beautiful and clean. A place where everyone is so means. A place with neither means nor means. A place where Creator is so close. A place which all mammal would not win. A place where everybody sing a song. A place without any noise or an airport. Therefore, no need to having a passport. A place where I can comfortably teleport. A place full of layers and more comfort. A place where everybody is real expert. A place where the ocean meet the desert. There is not a place better than Herod, a place which is free from every nose and cannot be expressed by a phrase, a place that resembles the paradise. If a mountain seemed too big today, then climb a hill instead of mountains. If the morning bring you sadness, it's okay to stay in the bed. If the day ahead weight you heavy and your plane feel like a crash, then there is no shame in rearranging. Don't make yourself feel worse. If the mountain seem too big today, then climb a hill instead of mountains. If shower sting you like a needle and the bath feel like you drown, if you have not washed your hair for a day, don't throw away your wishes, your aims and your ambitions. A day is not a lifetime. A rest is not a defeat. Don't overthink. Don't overthink if you get multiple failures. Just relax, relax and relax. This is a health. This is your life. Don't take a big task, the task you cannot complete. If you already take any task, the one you cannot complete, try yourself best as you can. If still you are